Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. Karnataka Planning and Statistics Minister B. Nagendra has been given additional charge of the Kalyana Karnataka Development Ministry even as the opposition continues its protest demanding his removal. The BJP and JDS have been protesting for 5 days over allegations linked to the 89 crore rupees Maharshi Valmiki ST Development Corporation case. Nagendra, who has been named in the charge sheet, has been granted bail. He had earlier resigned from the Siddaramaiah cabinet but later returned to the government under Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. Nagendra said the minister handling the Planning and Statistics Department would also oversee the Kalyana Karnataka Region Development Board. The opposition raised the issue again when the assembly met. BJP members wearing black shirts marched towards Vidhana Soudha and attempted to enter the assembly. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka questioned whether the Congress was disrupting the entire session to protect Nagendra despite the allegations. In the Legislative Council, D.K. Shivakumar defended the opposition's right to protest but urged it to follow parliamentary procedures. He also challenged the opposition to a debate. Meanwhile, the Assembly passed 2 municipal amendment bills without discussion. The bills allow authorities to declare a private road a public street if poor conditions, including damaged drains, pose a threat to public safety. Once notified as public roads, properties in such layouts can become eligible for Ekata records subject to prescribed rules.